Charmin is 16 weeks old. 4 months. And she played outside all day today.
Do you know the industry's in decline?
And she's sleepy.
Practically invented decline, right? I know paper.
Sarge played outside all day too.
Nothing.
All day he played outside with Charmin.
You want in? You want to be a part of this? I am not going to do this. Oh. And you are not going to either. Oh, agreed.
And he's still playing.
Here's the thing. What I wish for you is that you land a job at a company that A, exists, and B, has a salary.
And then there's Charmin.
Hey. What's up, Chuck?
Jim, what are you doing? Nothing. Sorry.
She's growing.
Michael handed in his 2-week notice. Did you also hand in a 2-week notice?